Hi guys, so welcome to the channel. It's Monday morning, beautiful day. Spring is here, I can feel it. It's just gorgeous. We're finally getting the warm gear off. So I just thought I'd give you a wee rough. Do you remember Storm Owen or Ewan? There was a roof that we had to repair. Now during that time the mic failed, this bloody thing here failed, and we recorded the video. So I'm going to show you some of the clips. It'll be in silent of what we've done, but I'll do a talk over what happened. So if you have a look over there, this whole entire roof was replaced and repaired, but it was replaced and repaired because of silicon. Now, whoever went and repaired it before, more or less siliconed the whole roof in, and then of course when Storm Owen came along, it just blew the tiles luely. Now, these are known as, what do they call them again? Oh, for crying out loud, what's wrong with me? Anyway, they were replaced with a proper tile. Now, if you have a look, the tiles to the right are all paintless. The reason was the customer had the paint or the roof washed, and they sprayed all the paint off it, and it's left that concrete mark looking to it. But that is the original tile color that used to be there. To replace the whole roof for a bit of paint is going to be hard work. But again, we weren't finished there. There was a broken tile, if you have a look over there, and that was a complete nightmare, just over there, way over there. And we had to replace a few tiles over there as well. So they're now fixed. That's all done. And if you come around the far side, come on around the far side. Hi, Tom. So we're currently doing a bit of slabbing at the minute. So I like to think of myself as a slabber. I am good at slabbing. You're a slabber too, aren't you? I feel I'm good at it. You think I'm a good slabber?
I think you're quite good at it, yeah.
He thinks I'm a good slabber too. What do you say?
Quite professional.
I'm a professional slabber. There we go. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So I'll show you the roof. I'll show you the roof over here. Now, I'm shouting because of the fact that the mic is busted, so we have to get it fixed and do that. We're getting a new camera. There's a brand new camera coming. It's one of the new small DJI Osmo 3 pocket things with a little gimbal, and we're going to use that for when we're on site, because this bloody camera here, it's massive and it's really, really hard to do work while you're carrying a camera. So yeah, so I'll show you. Can you see that? Can you see it, Drew? Can you see the roof?
Yep.
So we had to replace the roof, or the ceiling, or the roof. What do they call that again? That's a slate, yeah. So what are they called? Rivendales. Rivendales. So they're a Rivendale slate, but they're a concrete slate. They're a fiber concrete slate, and they're a good slate. I've done a few of them on a few roofs, and it's a great job. So at the minute we're doing that, where we finished that job there, and we had to fix the door in the house. The front door was jammed, wasn't it? And we had to do that as well. We had to fix that as well. But we're currently finishing off this slabber work here. If you want to come and see. So at the minute, all that happened here was these slabs were sinking down into between the wall and the building itself, and we've had to fix them and get them nice and straight. We've done now 10 of them so far, and we're just finishing this bit here. We're using a bit of wet quarry dust with a bit of cement in it. It molds like a bit of putty, and it's great for basically putting that last bit in. We're basically doing that so it fits nicely, and we can jammy it down on top of the actual fixed quarry dust already, which is a bit loose. So all we're doing is we're really fitting that down. But this is the problem here. Come on, I'll show you. We've done a video on this before, and I will tell you, we had phenomenal amounts of plonkers, and you know who you are, who believed that what I was doing was wrong. Now, again, it's been noted, I am a professional slabber, and whoever's putting them comments down, I don't think you're as big a slabber as I am, all right? And if anyone doesn't know what the words, I bet you, Tanner, in England, Drew, see in England, yeah, they wouldn't have a clue what slabber is.
No, that's a
you don't either. Thing. You know what a slabber is? I know what a slabber is. So we're joking, guys. A slabber is a person who talks a lot of crap, all right, and also lays slabs. Come on over here. This is what we have. We have to fix these as well. At the minute we're doing this one over there, and then we need to get the mixer down, and I need to put more quarry dust in there, flatten that up. All of this has to be numbered, you know, 2 to 2, put 2 on the wall in chalk, you know, 1 to 1, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, whatever it is, to make sure that they match where they're supposed to go. They also need trimmed, so I'm saving the customer money by just trimming the motor off, getting the motor off and trimming it. That way we're saving the client money. They don't have to buy new slabs. I think that's a great idea. Saves, you know, a happy client is money saved, I think. Now, a lot of builders would probably just replace the whole lot, but I don't think that's fair. Just save the customer money, trim it down, and put it back on. So there it is. There was a lot of people were talking about lime and the salts coming out of the wall, and how that was, I was wrong on the fact that the salt suddenly is creeping out of the wall over here. And I'll go back to that video, because people were saying to me that, yeah, that's salts. I know they're salts. I already know they're salts, guys. But if you have a look, like I said, and I commented, they're rising up and down like so. Now, why would salts not run out of here? Or why are they running out? And that's because there's muck inside the cavity, and the salts are leaking out on top of the cavity where water's pushing that out. I am right on that. I have already checked that, and that is the case. So again, you gobs that are sitting on, there's slabbers and there's gobs, and I feel that you guys are gobbing. Salts coming out of the wall will come out like that if the water escape is not even, and you can see where it's escaping out of the brick. You can see that it's unlevel, and that's because of the crap that's in the cavity. That's why. So shut up, the lot of yous. Bloody sickies, you commented. You know, if you got something negative to say, don't say it, right? Yeah. What do you think?
I agree.
You agree, don't you, Drew?
I agree.
Do you agree, do you?
I agree.
So all three of us agree. That makes us the majority, because we're the ones that are speaking, not you, gobs. Anyway, right. Okay, so I am going to get back to this work. If you want, you're more than welcome to film it, Drew, on the far side. You just film on the far side of the video. Okay. And the big man and I get to work. So do you want to get... Just so you know, guys, I feel that something's going wrong with my YouTube channel, where I feel that we've been shadow banned, and we're just talking about it there, that you know, it's disgraceful how people can get away with trying to ruin people's business. Now, I've had it all my life, especially in this damn country, where you try your best and there's always someone there to try and take it from you by one way or another, by using government or control, by using the elements of control to try and win something over. So I would say what's happened is, and I've got to get facts, although I don't think you can find out, but if anyone got that information where you can find out who have been shadow banned, please tell me in the comments down below. But you know, we're doing great videos, we're doing great edits, we're working away on improving our thing. And it turns out that we do not have, for some reason, we have very little views, which makes no sense. I mean, I've got 20,000 subscribers, and yet I'm getting 400 or 500 views for a great 10-minute video, which I put a lot of work and effort into. So I don't understand it. I don't understand it at all. All right. what I've got here on the bubble, if you have a look on the bubble there, is a wee bit off, and that's for water to fall off this way. Just slightly off bubble, not too bad. And of course this has to be bubble straight. If you have a look there, it's all bubble straight. Nice, that's all sweet. So the idea really is to keep that fall just a little bit off so the water runs nicely off. Although there won't be water because it's in an underground thing, but you want to keep it as it's supposed to be spec'd. The customer had the rough side of the slab, not the smooth side of the slab. I assume it's for a bit of grip, which is good. And you finished trimming that one? We've got to do that corner one. We're going to trim that corner one, Kit. That one, yeah. Yeah, the corner one has to go in first by the looks of it. But we have to get more quarry dust anyway. Okay. Last thing we'll do here is make sure she's nice and level here, look. So what I want to do is make sure she's nice and level here. This one's a little bit off. And what I'll do is I'll just tap it in a bit more. Make sure she's nice and bubble level. That's good there. And of course I want to make sure, do the finger test to see how well it goes. There's a wee bit there. You know, you don't want to feel any sort of stopping. That's alright there, I'm pretty happy with that. So there it is. That's Big Al, the slabber. I really need your help. As subscribers and followers of my channel, if you wonder why I'm not making videos, we're doing loads and loads of videos, but we're only getting 500 views and 600 views per video, so I have no idea what's going on. So I'll leave that with you, and thank you for your time. Ciao.